And so it begins. I've taken off the mirrors here and here, and I noticed that on my throttle this is loose. It's going up and down, up and down. Now remember, this is a stage 6 throttle right here, and I have a video on it, how I adapted it. It's got a neat little button right there. I don't know what that button is for, but you know, it's a cool little button. And you can look underneath and you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see it's got a real cool deal. If you're going to be stroking it, yeah, sounds like a porno. No, anyway, if you're going to be using a stroker engine, I would suggest you spend the $90 or $100, get one of these chrome stage 6 throttles. They have to be adapted to fit with your stock right mirror lever dealy if you want to put your mirrors on it. But as far as for performance, it works really, really good. And you know, that's the underside of it. So I've taken off the black cover right here, and you can see how old these panels are. I have one of these that are brand new that I bought. I'm not sure what else I bought new years ago. Let's see what it looks like. I have a new cover right here. I don't like putting that on anything. This is the new, damn it. This is the new front piece right here that I can put on the bike. Maybe I can just go like that. But it's, I don't know if I want to put it on yet. You know, I got a reason for that. Anyway, I've got the front cover. What do they call it? The glove box cover, something like that. But if you can see that how it doesn't have any holes in it, I'd have to cut it out to make it work for this radiator. And so I don't think I'll do that. And then of course I have a new one of these. And then what else do I have? Oh, I bought a new front cover that fits. Let's see if, I don't know if you can see it. It fits right here. Now on this other cover, which is a good cover, some of these little tiny rivets have come out and they don't stick to this piece anymore, which has kind of pissed me off. But the deal is that what I really needed, and of course they don't make it anymore, is this front bullet piece, because it's broken right here. But I think I'm going to fix this somehow. I'll just fix this one up, and I'm not going to put the new pieces on it, because I'll have some new pieces, some old pieces. I even bought 2 of the new side skirts, which are these here. This is NOS. A lot of people wonder what the hell that is. And I put this, I got this from a go-kart racing shop. This little checkered flag thing. It looks really cool underneath the bike. But these side skirts, as they're called, cost about 75 bucks a piece. I mean, they hose you on them. So I got those. Of course, there's my seat. And tomorrow I have the day off. So the next thing I will do is very carefully take apart the cylinder head temperature. I would suggest if you're running a DIO, get one of these. Okay, if you reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, your piston will melt. A stroker at rest that's all warmed up will be about 120 or 30 degrees down here. When your stroker is wide open, mine goes up to about 250. Okay, you don't want it any more than that. Now you might ask, okay, what's an air-cooled run? Air-cooled engines will run right about 280 degrees, no more. If you go over 300 degrees, it will be a lot worse. And then I have a voltmeter, which this allows me to see what my how much I'm charging, which is a good deal. Then I have some other bullshit switches up here who really don't do anything, they kind of look good.